everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here to talk to you about the Kroger 4-day only sale for this week that will run from December the 21st through the 24th of 2018. Kroger primarily decided to focus this week on like gifts, but there are a few other deals that are going on in conjunction that I'll show you. So yeah, that's important to know. They are going to be closed on Christmas, I believe, and their hours are going to be restricted on Christmas Eve. So always be sure to check with your local Kroger store to see their hours and everything. So yeah, let's just dive right into this 4-day only sale. The Intamin's Little Bites are $1.99 a package, so that's a pretty decent price. With the 5x digital coupon, you have to load the 5x digital. I'm sure you all get that by now. The shrimp, $6.99 for this colossal raw shrimp. Tuscany candles are only $5. Not a horrible price at all, considering that candles are kind of pricey. So $4.99 for a Tuscany candle, not bad. 25% off of this As Seen on TV magic tracks. That's a really good deal, honestly, in my opinion. 25% off of an As Seen on TV item is kind of rare, so I would jump on this, especially if you want to get it as a gift. I would totally grab that deal on the magic track items. The M&M's, Snickers, Skittles, or Starburst filled candy canes, 99 cents. So that's a good deal. That's a good deal for stocking stuffers. So I would definitely grab that one. This assorted Barbie with accessories, $7.49 at Kroger with the digital. Let me bring it up because it cut off. It says regular priced $14.99 each. So that's a pretty good deal, half price for that. I'm a little disappointed with this one because Walmart I know has them cheaper, but their throws are $2.99 with the 5x digital. I know they're only $2.50 at Walmart, but whatever you want to do there. One seems really good to me. The Barbies does too. This one seems really good to me. The Hot Wheels Energy Track set. This is only $7.49, which that's a really cheap price for a gift like that. I mean, you know what kid wouldn't want that for Christmas, right? That's a good deal. I would definitely go and grab that. I also have this shrimp. It's $13.98 for the colossal 2-pound shrimp bag, which I actually think it's a better. No, it's the same. They're really wanting you to get this shrimp. My goodness. But there you go. That's all I have for this video. Check out the Kroger ad preview that will be coming out on Saturday or Sunday. So I'll talk about the new sale coming up. And check out these other videos if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't watch again, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. So